Hi, my name is CosAlex and today I will be showing you how I made the headphones for my Mikuo cosplay. I started off by tracing the outside of my pattern on a piece of 5mm EVA foam. Then I traced and cut the entire piece on 2mm EVA foam to act as the outside layer. I also got 2 strips of 5mm foam for the sides. After that I glued everything together with contact cement and repeated the process until I got myself 2 ear cuffs, one for each side. I'm keeping the backside open to make it sit on my head like actual headphones. I continued by marking down the ear cuff placement on my headband with some permanent marker. Then I wrapped the outer layer of the headband with the 2mm EVA foam so it would match the rest of the headset. I used a Dremel to sand the edges and a heat gun to seal the foam. And then I put on some primer, a few coats. And then I let that dry for a bit and then I went over it with some black paint. And then we're adding in the colors, the lights. I would have loved to make this actually glow, but I didn't have time, so I just went with a quick coat of color. And there you go. That's how I quickly put together my headphones for my performance at Albinai. I hope this is useful for anyone, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below in the comments, and I'll likely respond to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.